Okay, so what's this little clippy clip thing right here on the side of the cabinet here? Well, what it is, it's a little glasses keeper. And it's just a place to hang your glasses for when you need them. And we happen to have the sunglasses here because this is right next to the computer. And my spouse is actually visually impaired, and the glare from the computer and stuff like that kind of impairs the vision and stuff, and so there's a pair of sunglasses here to kind of cut down on the glare and stuff, and so that is why that little glasses keeper is there. But I actually use them for lots of different things. I'll show you. And here's another package that we haven't opened yet that they sent to us so that we could show them to you. This is one that we haven't opened, but I'll show you. I actually have one here by my side table to just kind of keep my cord from my charging cord for my phone next to the couch here, because what happens is my cord ends up falling on the floor and going behind the couch and the side table, and then I can't reach it anymore. And so this just kind of keeps it so that when it does fall down, I can actually just still reach it, because I just threaded my charging cord through there. And I like that they come in different colors, the black and the gray and the white, because then you can make it match whatever you want it to match, wherever you want to put it and stuff. And then we have one out here in the car, you can see, just to put this little trash bag in so that we can have an easy place to just drop our trash. There's one right there, see the black one, because it matches the black of the on the dashboard there and stuff. So yeah, we just use them all over the place for different things, but of course they're designed to just drop your glasses in, which of course we have a couple of those up for glasses in different places too. But yeah, thanks for sending those, because those are super duper convenient and in multiple different places. I just wanted to show you a couple of the different uses we use them for. But yeah, of course they're designed for glasses, which we use them for that too. So